Before we get started working through the software Lucid Chart, I want to show you kind of what your end result is going to be. So if you need to bring something in or you need to upload some pictures, you're going to kind of have a plan of action before you actually get started with the step-by-step directions. So this is an example with the directions kind of typed in with the Lucid Chart example to give you an idea of what it is that you're going to be doing. So to start with, let me go ahead and explain the assignment in a nutshell. Your assignment is going to have a title. That title is going to be all about me, and then it's going to be your name. The Lucid Chart is going to let you draw like a mind map. It's going to have a starting point, and then it's going to branch out from that starting point. This is your starting point. Right here in the middle is going to be a picture of you that you upload. So you need to decide what picture you want here. On mine, I just have the directions typed in. So if I zoom in, you can see that it says upload your picture here. Then from that, you're going to have 4 sections. This arrow is going out, and it's going to be a section on your family. Then you have this arrow that's coming out, and it's going to be a section on your education. You have this arrow coming out of your picture, and it's going to be about your career, what you hope to do. And then the last section is going to be a line coming out, and it's going to be connected to a shape called interest. So those are the 4 main sections for you to think about. So you want a picture, and then you're going to have a family section, an education section, a career section, and an interest section. Now, from each of those 4 main points, you're going to have 3 lines coming out showing subpoints of those. So, for example, if I zoom in here and go to, which I should use the keyboard shortcut, but if I go to my first section, which is my family, I just type family. The directions are to add a shape. That shape can be your choice. You'll have a line around the shape. The fill is your choice. The line color is your choice. And it's going to be entitled family. From your family shape, then you would add what subsections go with your family. I added a line to Jake, a line to Liz, and then you're going to have a third one, which will be whatever point you want to add about your family. So those are your 3 sections then under family. Notice that each of the lines connecting are going to have text on it, and I'll show you how to do that in a later video. Then you're going to go to your next section, which is education. Again, you pick a shape. Doesn't have to be the same shape I used. You fill it. You decide the line. You decide the thickness of the line, the color of the line. You title it education. And then you're going to have 3 sections on your education. I have a line going to my elementary school, to my high school, and to where I went to college. So each of these 3 are icons that I've uploaded, and we'll look at how to upload those as well. The next section is going to be for your career. And again, you're going to have a shape that has the word career in it. The shape's going to be your choice, your color, your line style, your line color, etc. All that formatting is going to be your own. And then from that career, you're going to add 3 lines. So I've added computer teacher with this icon that I've uploaded. I've taught at Swiss Hills, so I uploaded the Swiss Hills icon, and the Swiss Hills icon, the Woodsfield Elementary, the Skyview Elementary, and the Monroe Central icons are all on Drive S in a file folder called MC Clip Art. And then I've added, of course, Monroe Central and put the icon there. So there are 3 sections coming from whatever your career is that you choose to do. And then again, the last section up close is for your interest. And again, the shape is whatever you decide, the fill, the line color, etc. From it, you're going to have 3 sections. I entitled the first one MC Sports. The second one, I like OSU basketball and football, although the basketball season has been a little disappointing. And then my last one is everything Google. So this in all, if I zoom back out to the page, is going to be the concept map or my mind map with my picture as the main section, and then all 4 of those main points off of it. Off of each main point, then you need 3 subsections. Everything is connected with lines. Every line is going to have text on it. And then at the bottom, I just put that anything else that you want to do to be creative, you can add. And that's here as part of the directions. Use the features of Lucid Chart to add anything additional that you may want. The more creative your chart is, the better your grade, and then just have fun with it. So that's going to give you an idea of what you're going to be creating with this software and how you can use it for other classes. Anytime you're going to need some kind of mind map or some kind of concept map or a flow chart, this is good software to use for that. Those finished products, then I'm going to hang up on the board so everybody can see how differently you've decided to create your own concept map, but that gives you an idea of what you need to think about and the 4 sections that you need to have, the pictures that you need to have, etc. So we'll work through these step by step by step after each video. They're going to be short, little videos. You're going to stop and add the parts to it that we've discussed in the video, and then by the time you're finished, you'll have a mind map that's completed with your picture, your 4 sections, and underneath the 4 sections, you're going to have 3 subpoints, lines connecting everything, and words or text added to those lines. So should be fun to create this all about you.